I'm here in the YVC Design Studio getting your kits ready. And so I want to let you know what you're getting in your kit. It's not a lot, but it's going to be useful for the class. So you're going to get 10 pieces of illustration board. So this is a little bit thicker board. Yours are going to be cut down to be a little bit more portable and manageable. I believe I've given you 2 sizes. Those are going to be what you use for your finished designs. You're also going to get a piece of construction paper, black. You can use other construction paper, but we'll be using this as soon as the first project, so I want you to have one ready. You'll get a piece of just clear paper. Set that aside, clear plastic. Set that aside, we're gonna be using it later in the quarter. And then I'm giving you hopefully a couple of pieces of tracing paper. You might wanna get your own packet, but again, I wanna get you started with stuff. The other thing that I don't have in the room yet, because it hasn't been delivered, is you're gonna get a brush and some nice glue. This glue is useful. It doesn't wrinkle like Elmer's glue does, and the brush is a good way to apply it and not have too much on. Again, we're looking to avoid wrinkles. The other 2 things you need immediately are a sketchbook and a good writing utensil with eraser. We'll talk about, elsewhere I talk about some of the other materials that we need, but this is your kit and this is what you're going to get started with.